Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your ideas with Slack, full guide step by step clearly. To transfer your ideas using Slack, start by creating a dedicated channel. Select the Channels tab on the left sidebar. Click on the Create Channel button. Give your channel a clear and descriptive name. Add a brief purpose to help others understand its focus. Once your channel is created, invite relevant team members. Click on the channel name and select Add People. Choose the team members who should contribute to your discussions. Now, open the channel and introduce your idea. Create a message that outlines your thoughts clearly. Be concise and use bullet points for clarity if necessary. If your ideas require visual support, consider attaching documents or images. You can do this by clicking the plus icon next to the message input box. Choose the file from your device or upload from cloud storage. After sharing your idea, encourage feedback from your team. Ask specific questions to guide the conversation. Feel free to tag individuals using the @ symbol for direct attention. Monitor responses and engage with team members as they reply. Use threads to keep discussions organized and focused on specific points. To start a thread, hover over a message and click on Reply in Thread. This helps maintain clarity amid multiple conversations. If you're integrating tools, consider using integrations like Google Drive or Trello. These allow for seamless sharing and collaboration on your ideas. If a conversation is evolving, don't hesitate to summarize key points. This helps keep everyone aligned on the main takeaways. As ideas develop, you can assign these tasks to relevant team members. Utilize Slack's reminder feature to keep track of deadlines. To set a reminder, type /remind followed by your message and time. Continuously update the channel on progress as ideas evolve. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.